Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Before we get started, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow my page on Instagram. Let's get right into it. So there are two reasons why I juice. I juice for health and I also juice for weight loss. Under the category of weight loss, there are kind of like 2 points that I want to touch on. When it comes to weight loss and juicing, let's say you're coming off of a standard American diet, you're used to drinking Minute Maid, used to drinking soda, all of these sugary beverages. Those are the things that I used to indulge in. I grew up drinking all of these sugary beverages. So it would benefit you if you are on a weight loss journey to switch over to cold pressed juices. Of course, drinking water is always, a main component of losing weight, but you don't have to eliminate fruit juice 100%. I see a lot of people, they're like, oh, I don't drink any juice, and it's like you can't drink some cold pressed apple juice, some cold pressed orange juice. Like, those things are all natural and they actually have healthy sugars that can benefit you nutritionally and on your weight loss journey. If you switch over from some of these artificially sweetened, chemical filled fruit juices over to cold pressed juices, you will see a difference in your health. I know sugar is highly demonized in weight loss and in the food industry. It is way different from refined sugar, which is going to damn near rewire your brain to be addicted to it. Try some cold pressed juices, because those juices, they come directly from the fruit. Look at the ingredient labels to make sure there's no chemicals or sugar or preservatives added to them. But more often than not, cold pressed juices are just made from the fruit. It's literally an orange squeezed of its juice and then poured into a bottle. Those are the only juices that I buy, and typically I do like to make them as well, which I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite juice recipes at the end of this video. Now, on the other side of this, juicing for nutrition is definitely an advantage for anyone who is on a health journey. Juices are going to contain a lot of nutrients. We eat these fruits for so many different reasons, for antioxidants, for vitamins and minerals. Literally, the main component of these fruits is usually the water content, the juice content of the fruit. So when you're chugging that thing and you sipping it back, like, that is literally you taking in all of those nutrients, and those nutrients are going to go straight to your bloodstream because they do not have to digest. It literally skips digestion and it can work faster in your system. Juicing is really good for weight loss because the nutrients in the fruits are going to help you shred fat. And also, when you replace your meals with juices, you're gonna see weight loss. Why? Because you are going to be in a close to extreme caloric deficit. You burn calories all throughout the day, okay? So when you decide to eat less calories than you are burning, and you decide to say, hey, I'm gonna drink this juice as a meal replacement, that juice probably only has maybe about 50 calories, and that is going to put you in a caloric deficit, which is what you need to be in order to lose weight. Now, I'm not saying that you should just go out there and start juicing and going crazy on the juices. You need to definitely educate yourself a little bit more, probably further past this video, and also do some testing with your body, because not everyone can just juice fast. You know what I mean? The more toxins you have in your body, the more withdrawals and the more sick you might feel when you are juice fasting. I usually juice fast between 24 to 48 hours because that is my cap at the stage I am in my health journey. That is as long as I've gone without solid food on my health journey. Now, another point I want to make is I always juice organic fruits and vegetables. They spray these fruits and vegetables with a lot of crazy chemicals, pesticides on the food that we eat. So if you are juicing and you are trying to cleanse your body, you're trying to detox from the inside out, you want to juice organic fruits and vegetables. If you can, I know it's not accessible for everybody. You know, if you can't do organic, then I would say look for a farmer's market in your city and try and get something that's locally grown. Either way, just do the best that you can to get pure fruits and vegetables for your cleanse and for your detox, because you know you don't want to contradict what you are trying to do for your body. On top of that, please make sure that you wash your fruits and vegetables, okay? You can do baking soda, you can do a fruit and vegetable wash. I use Dr. Bronner's. You can also do a little bit of vinegar, you know, soak your veggies, you can scrub them. There's so many methods of washing your plants before you start juicing them. So make sure you clean everything and make sure that you have a clean fruit and vegetable to put into your body so that it can do the work that you are expecting it to do. Most of the time I juice in the morning, and that is because when you wake up in the morning, your body needs hydration. Okay, for years I used to wake up making eggs, bacon, bagels. I intermittent fast because I learned that in the morning when you first wake up, your body is still in detox mode. In order for you to help it continue to flush out toxins, you should be drinking water. And your first meal of the day should be a water-based meal, like some berries, a fruit smoothie, a smoothie bowl, things of that nature, in order to continue to flush out toxins. And water is my main priority in the morning. I am able to flush out toxins from my body and at least do a mini detox every morning. You know what I mean? You don't have to go on these long detox weekends or weeks or months. You can literally just start off with drinking a fruit or a vegetable juice in the morning before you have breakfast. Fruits are for detoxing, okay? They sweep the intestines, they move shit through your colon. Vegetables are for repairing the cells in the body. Always remember that. When it comes to detoxing, I focus mainly on fruits. When you give your digestive system a break, it can focus on other things that it needs to work on. The only juices that I buy are cold pressed juices, okay? And if I'm not buying a cold pressed juice, I'm pretty much just making it at home. I'll get some organic fruits and I'll run them through my juicer. I don't really do with anything that has a lot of preservatives or fillers. I really try to stay away from those things. I'd rather just take some fruit and run it through my own juicer and make my own fresh homemade cold pressed juice. Like I said, fasting is amazing for weight loss and it's amazing for you nutritionally. If you want to lose weight quick, doing a juice fast, you're gonna see the weight is just gonna move. Anytime you're doing any type of detox or fast or things like that, the weight is going to come off. So if you are in a tight situation, you're going on vacation, you want to lose some weight, I would recommend doing a juice fast. Juice fasting was not, my regimen for my weight loss. My weight loss was a result of a plant-based diet and a holistic lifestyle where eating clean is my way of life. The reason why I picked up juice fasting is because I wanted to clear my skin. I wanted to do healthy things for my body. Juice fasting is a part of my lifestyle because I know that, if I need to lose weight quick, juice fasting is going to be a quick way that I can see results. You are going to lose, muscle mass. I don't know too much about that, but of course, like I said, when you juice fast, you're in a caloric deficit, so you're going to lose weight. Your body doesn't know, whether you're losing muscle or whether you're losing fat. I recommend it to somebody, if you're just trying to kickstart your weight loss, you're like, okay, I just want to lose a cool 10 pounds real quick so that I can get going on my weight loss journey. I would say do a juice fast. Another reason I would do a juice fast is if I just feel unhealthy, I feel like I've been eating a lot of shit or a lot of junk, I would just do a juice cleanse. My favorite juice recipe is apples, beets, and ginger. Now I add ginger to all of my juices because ginger is a natural preservative, and I also love the way ginger tastes. Beets have vitamin C, which also helps with skin pigmentation, which I have acne. Beetroot is also a blood purifier, which is key for healthy skin. Next to that, I'll do apples, and apples are pretty much the GOAT when it comes to juices. They make everything taste good. I use Honeycrisp apple, and I also use Fuji apple. I love the way those taste. So this apple beetroot juice has been my kick lately. Now, of course, none of these juice recipes are going to help you lose weight on their own. If you are just gonna do cold pressed juices and you're gonna do detoxes, those are not gonna help you on its own. You need to make sure that you're balancing things out. You can't just always juice detox and juice and eat McDonald's. Like, it really doesn't. So I also make celery juice shots, which these are good for weight loss because it helps digestion. So that is definitely a main point for weight loss. You need to make sure that your food is digesting, that things are coming out of you as they should. You don't want to just be holding waste inside of you. So some days I'll also just have a celery juice shot on an empty stomach. It's always nice to have like these nutritionally high valued foods and juices and beverages on an empty stomach, just because first thing in the morning your body absorbs those things a lot more than it would absorb your lunch after you've had other things. So on an empty stomach, your body is really able to just absorb all those nutrients. That is why I do these nutritionally high valued plant juices in the morning. Not to mention all of the medicinal value that celery juice has on the body. That is why you're going to see weight loss, and you're also going to see an improvement in your health, because you're loading your body with all of these vitamins and minerals at such a low cost, aka calories. This is the juicer that I use. You can find a cheap juicer and make the thing happen, okay? You do not need any expensive juicer. Those expensive juicers are nice, but you do not need them. You can also use your blender and strain. You can strain in a nut milk bag, you can strain in a mesh strainer. You do not need an expensive juicer. This juicer is not the best juicer, but it works for me. I really don't juice greens, period, just because I'm not a fan of juicing too many fruits and vegetables together. I like to keep my juices kind of simple, and I also like sweets, so dark leafy juices aren't really my thing. I can eat them, but drinking them, like, I'd rather drink them in like a shot or something instead of like a full juice. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. I don't have too much information for you guys on this topic. I just want to let y'all know what I do and what I've done on my journey. I am not a juicing expert, but I try to do what I can when I can, as far as health is concerned and as far as weight loss. Juicing is definitely one of those things that I keep in my back pocket when I know I need to whip myself back into shape. And I just wanted to explain to you guys how it has worked for me. So if you guys gain any value in this video, please let me know. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I will see y'all in the next video.